Langston's still not feeling the greatest, so I'm gonna have to get creative. We don't have a livestock trailer, and I'm gonna take him to the vet. Wish me luck. So I was gonna try and squeeze him in my SUV, but my husband had a great idea to try and use the cab of the truck by just putting the seats up. So I'm gonna put a tarp down because he has pretty bad diarrhea and try to coax him in here. Livingston, I'm gonna get you some medicine, okay? You stinker. You gave me a run for my money. He escaped twice, bucked me, pooped all over me, made me deadlift him. He is a bull through and through and through, and now he's wondering what the heck is going on. I know it's scary, I know. I got you. I got you, sweet boy. You want some bottle? Make you feel better, huh? I got you, I got you, I know. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. I know it's so scary. I'm so sorry. Alright, we got a turn coming up. Brace your slow. I got you. There we go. You made it! You didn't fall down. Careful. I told him it was going to be a much smoother ride if he just laid down for the rest of it. And so far, he listened to me. Relaxing back there, buddy. Just take a load off and relax. We'll be there in no time. Okay? And he's peeing. I'm sorry, Jason. I promise I'll get your truck detailed. We're here, buddy. What do you think? That wasn't so bad, huh? It was pretty bad. It's pretty traumatizing for you, huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We're here. I'm gonna get you some medicine. I'm so sorry. It wasn't for no reason. I hope you can forgive me. I hope you can forgive me.
The vet says I win most creative for getting a baby calf here without a livestock trailer. In the prettiest truck. Oh, Livingston.
And yeah, we got a nice little surprise there. I'm gonna try to get it off the window before we leave so that I can clean it up better when we get home. You are just all sorts of mad at me, huh? I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We got you some medicine. I'm sorry. Oh, he's got a little tear in his eye. That was a big needle, huh? I'm so sorry, but you're gonna feel better soon. I am so grateful to Dr. Hargis and Animals R Us. You guys are amazing. Thank you for squeezing Livingston in today. He just got his first injection of Baytril, and I'm just so relieved and looking forward to getting more of these meds in. The good news is, even though he took a turn for the worst last night and this morning, he just oh my goodness, he just pooped all over Jason's back door, and it was disgusting, but it was better than it was this morning. So I have a feeling he's gonna start feeling better here in the next day or two. We have, there he goes peeing again. We have 3 different medications we're gonna give him, and the first dose of the Baytril is in, and then I'm gonna get home and give him some of these other antibiotics as well as the biosponge. So we are headed home. He's gonna be so happy to be back in his paddock. He does not like this at all. Wish me luck in getting him back. All right, buddy, we're headed home. Trying to take it slow around the corners. Plant your feet. Okay? Brace you. Plant your feet. I'll try to stop you from falling down, okay? We'll wait for these cars to pass so we can go real slow. Here we go. I gotcha. Plant your feet. Good job, Livingston. Good job. 4 more turns, buddy. Then we're home free. Got this turn coming up. I'm gonna go slow. Alright, we made it. That's 1. Ready, bud? Slow and steady. 2. Oh, I forgot. There's 1 more turn left, okay? 3 left. Not so bad. That's what I forgot about this one. It's just kind of like half turn. Alright. Let me help you on this Last hurdle. Let's get you back into the paddock, buddy. Let's go home. Let's go home, buddy. Oh gosh. There he goes.
There you go. There you go, Bubba.
Get your Baba and your other medicine. Right now. Over there. Let's go. We're back home. Livingston is safe, back in his paddock, happy to not be in a moving truck anymore. Now comes the real challenge. I have to give him half of this tube, as well as 4 pretty big pills. The advice they gave me was to try and, kind of the same way I do with my dogs and cats when I need to give them medication, try and put it in the back of his mouth and close it if I need to, but do it right before I'm giving him his milk so that he kind of drinks it down. I know you don't have a whole lot of trust in me right now. So now he doesn't even want to take a regular bottle of milk from me, which is his favorite thing on earth, because he just doesn't trust me if I've got medicine or electrolytes or something else in there, and he's really just questioning my motives. So he's now on the refusal to drink any electrolytes. He will only drink milk, and even then I kind of have to shove it in his mouth and let him get a taste of it to realize it's what he likes. But his eyes were opened. He realizes he only likes that, and that's all he's going to drink. We'll see how things progress, but I'm going to have to start earning back his trust. And it's not going to be easy, considering twice a day I'm going to have to keep shoving 4 big antibiotic pills and half a tube of paste medicine down his throat. And then in 2 days I have to give him another big antibiotic injection, which he was really not happy about. I think that was the bridge too far, poking him with that big needle. So I'm hoping that he starts feeling better and we can make it through this rough patch. And as long as we can do that, I can work on gaining his trust back over time. Livingston's all medicated and fed. Now I have this to deal with. That is a lot of pee. Whew. All right, I figure out the cleanest way to do this. You would never know there was a bull, a baby bull, peeing and pooping all up in here a couple hours ago.